Rodney, where are we and why?
Yeah, Roger, today we are on site in Avonmore, which is in the Steel Creek area in the sanctuary.
Wow, now the sanctuary, that's where all those multi-million-dollar homes, you used to sell in there, didn't you?
Big homes in there, high-end custom homes, and yes, I did used to sell in there. And MI is wise enough, they got a hold of this land, Roger, and they're building some gorgeous homes in here.
Here's a spec for sale. It's got a third car garage. It's a tandem. Might be a workshop for you. That one's, they're working on it pretty hard on the paint right now, but that one's available. It's 5-bedroom, right? 4 bath, 4.5, something like that?
It is, Roger, and that's a great home. But Roger, in any new home community, what plan sells the best?
Rodney, the ones that they see, which is the model.
The model home, and I'll tell you, that's why I like the Fenmore.
Well, the Fenmore, you know, first of all, what's the philosophy when a builder picks a model home?
Yeah, they want to answer, you know, what most people are looking for. And so they've heard a lot of feedback and they listen to what clients want. And so, you know, they make the model and they have it professionally decorated and it shows amazing.
Well, there's a really good number for them to call. By the way, on my new HEV, my new hybrid, I'm getting 48 miles a gallon today. Is that a good number, Rodney?
That's a great number and that's a great car, but make sure if you do call Roger, you ask for Rodney Jones. Rodney Jones.
Well, this is home of the month,
Home of the month, Roger,
well,
right
Parade
here.
Of homes. That's the Fenmore.
A Fenmore, and this is a great elevation. I love it with a covered front porch on the front.
They got this beautiful brick all around. Rodney, you and I tease a lot, but the question is, man, that is a generous front porch. You and I tease a lot, but I guess the question that you often ask is, why would anybody want to build from dirt? Ooh.
Exactly.
When they can, what, buy a house like this one?
Buy a home that's already complete. And you know, Roger, the builder is offering incentives to buyers who may want to take a home that's already built. You and I had clients in here last week and they did a comparison on a home, a different plan, but you know, luckily MI had built one as an available home, and guess what? The home that was already built, as far as financing and incentives go, they saved about $500 a month.
Wow.
Which is significant. Now, I'm going to also share some insider information too, just because we know this builder and this builder likes us and we like them, is I was able to get them some additional incentives such as...
Wait a minute, don't say it because you may not be able to get it next month.
That's true. But
you can get it this month, right?
That's right.
Ronnie's got a backyard. It looks like that fence is already built in because that's a retaining wall.
Correct, and that will be maintained by the HOA.
Man, this is a great plan. I love the fact that it's got a bedroom down on the main level. Now that could be for your mother or father living with you or just visiting.
That's true, Roger. And you know, they've got their own full bath here. And did they do the walk-in shower?
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So, and now Rodney, on the Fenmore, when we get upstairs, and we are going to give them a full home tour today, it's just amazing how I love this backyard, man. It's just a beautiful sunny Carolina day.
Yes.
But you mentioned some of the financing incentives. Really having a strong buyer agent that understands the loans is helpful, right?
Well, it is, you know, because I helped these past clients that, you know, they were, that's really kind of what it boiled down to. Roger, I got to show you this real quick because I did just show a home. And one of the things, small things that MI does is they're finishing this garage.
Okay.
So if you notice tape, painted, baseboards, it's a finished garage. And I did sell a lower priced home recently that did not have a finished garage. People went ahead and bought it, but they're going to finish it on their own. But it's nice the builder already does this.
Well, it's a world of difference. I mean, it just feels smart and savvy. And so I could just see so many family memories being made in this great room. Maybe some kiddos or grandkids sitting up here.
And look at this kitchen, so well appointed. I mean, you've got, you know, the countertops, these cabinets are so in style, gas cooktop. We get so many people that like gas, the farmhouse sink.
Yeah, I mean, 42-inch cabinets. That's classy, isn't it? So you can imagine people, if they're entertaining, they're going to have their friends and family coming in and saying, ooh and ah.
Ooh and ah, no doubt about it. And I'll tell you, Roger, our other clients chose this location for the location. You know, you're close to 485, you're close to the airport, you're close to uptown. You know, we say uptown in Charlotte, not downtown. And if you say downtown, they're going to know you're from out of town.
Or guys like that are native Charlotteans, they get a pass. Now, wait a minute, Rodney. Tell me that this ain't a ooh-ah upstairs as well.
This is a great ooh-ah area. Multiple uses here. Could be a homework station, could be a YouTube studio.
That's normally when I turn the camera back on me. But Rodney, this is huge. And you know what I like about this? That all the bedrooms, there are 4 bedrooms up, they kind of play off of it. You've got a Jack and Jill bedroom. There's an ensuite bedroom. This one's in the rear. Maybe that's, oh, they've already got cabinets there.
Cabinets in the laundry up, Roger. Laundry up with, you know, that's usually where the dirty clothes accumulate.
Right, now actually that's not a Jack and Jill. That's basically, you've got your own, and then this is a bedroom, and that door locks and unlocks, so.
It does. This can serve the loft area there, as well as that bedroom. You got transom windows in here, a lot of natural light.
And then this one is the ensuite over here. And I mean, that might be your favorite kid or whoever got the best grades.
Or the oldest.
Or the oldest, there you go. Look at that, special. And by the way, Rodney, you mentioned the sanctuary. That's almost hard to believe because the sanctuary is a high-end.
Roger, I mean, literally right behind those trees, I sold a $1.3 million home years ago. No telling what it's worth today.
Yeah, and probably that would, in today's money, that'd be a $2 million home.
Yeah.
So you're used to dealing with homeowners at all price points. I know that.
Yeah.
But look at this.
Yeah, this is great. This is the primary suite. And yes, Roger, I help buyers. I help, you know, all price ranges, North and South Carolina.
What would you put there? A chair and a table or a little desk?
You know, our clients actually reached out to Marcy Sachs. Give a plug to Marcy.
Oh, nice.
And Marcy would say, we need a desk here. Or,
Yeah.
you know, I would rely on people who know what they're doing to put stuff there.
You can actually pull your own teeth, can't you?
But why not hire a professional?
Well, that's kind of our little plea for calling us. And I do want you to write down my number. If you've been a follower for a while, I met a couple yesterday, Rodney, in another neighborhood. Oh no, and they've been following me. They wanted to take a picture with me. Rodney, go get in that shower.
Is this not amazing? Now let me show you something, Roger. I'm going to turn the shower on back here, but the shower head is over there.
Well,
and what that means is I don't get blasted with cold water. I can warm it up back here and then get in the shower.
See, Rodney, you know everything, man. It's got a rain head and all that. So this couple, they were really oohing and on about getting a chance to meet me. Because, you know, when you see on YouTube, blah, 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 I'm just a normal guy, you know that. Right. But the cool thing was that they've discovered me. But the bad thing was they'd already been into the neighborhood and had another agent.
Oh, no. So you definitely want to reach out to Roger Holloway or me, Rodney Jones, before you contact the builder. You do that because, unfortunately, if you reach out to the builder first and then decide you want a buyer agent, a lot of builders now will not honor your buyer agent. So definitely reach out to us first because Roger can make an appointment, I can make an appointment, our whole team will make an appointment, and we'll go with you. We don't have to go with you, but it's definitely part of the registration process.
Now, Rodney, could somebody conceivably be renting right now and consider that whole rental trap and thinking, how far will my money go? Is this a good home, a good neighborhood to do that with?
Without a doubt. I mean, and that's exactly our clients from last week. They've been renting, their lease is coming up, and they're actually going to move a little before their lease is out, but now they're going to owning something. I am going to say their interest rate is, you know, rates have come down, so, and with the incentive with the builder, they got a phenomenal interest rate right now.
So is it true that you can get finance your house in the fives now?
Yeah, their rate was actually below 5. So,
oh my goodness.
And then fixed rate, so.
Well, here's the one thing, guys. There are a lot of agents out there, a lot of new agents thinking, hey, this is a great way to make a lot of money. They had the NAR lawsuit. Right now, the builders are willing to pay most, if not all, of our fee, but you've got to contact us first. We want to help you. We want to help you get out of the rental game. We want to help you take advantage of those lower rates. And also, Rodney knows, again, the inside track on how to take some of the closing cost money, the incentive money, the extra money, maybe buy down the rate. It's a personal deal. So your deal is personal. In other words, you're going to be here, you know, maybe you just got out of medical college and you're going to be a resident for a while and your income's going to jump up in a couple, 3, 4, 5 years. All those things factor in. And is that right, Rodney?
That's absolutely correct. And, you know, owning versus renting, I always say compared to what, and certainly right now is a great time to buy. This is one of many new home communities, Roger, we work in. And guess what? Sometimes new homes don't always work. So I help people with resale homes. And I also list and sell homes in both North and South Carolina.
See, guys, that's just a little poem that he gives. I like it. That's a good poem, but it's true. So maybe you are a renter wanting to get out of the rental trap. Maybe you have a home that you've outgrown. Maybe you had another addition or two to your family. Maybe you're moving your parents down from New Jersey, whatever. We'd love to help you. We can do it. We're good at it. So call me at 704-345-3400 and feel free to reference Rodney Jones. We can't wait to help you. We're down here in the sanctuary at RHy&x. We'll see you in the next video.